This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the wiper arm away from the glass for clearance. Depress the release button, then slide out the blade from the end of the arm. Fit the new wiper blade by sliding it into the end of the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates the securing tab has been locked in. Lower the arm to the windscreen.